Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15 and in this video I will show you where to check your graphics card on this laptop. So, to see your graphics card, click Start, Settings, then select System and scroll all the way down the list to About section. Here you'll have your graphics card. As you can see, there are multiple GPUs installed, so if you want to see your own graphics card, close this window, then right-click on the taskbar, click Task Manager, then go into Performance section right here, and here you'll find the GPUs that are installed on your device. Here you'll find the name, and here are the specifications of your GPUs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.